Ndewo no aha m bụ Quinette Ogochukwu Ohaya. Tata means today. Anyị ga-agba ajụjụ ọnụ. We're going to do quiz contest for everybody. And I want everybody to participate, okay? So, but before we do that, we're going to sing the Atlanta Igbo School National Anthem, which is Ndị Nne na Nna. So I'm going to sing first. Once I finish singing, I'm going to tell you how to sing. I want everybody to sing. So make sure you unmute yourself. Make sure there's no background noise there. There's no TV on. No other person talking there. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Then after that, we're going to do the quiz on numbers. Number quiz. And I want everybody to participate. You know it, you raise your hand with the emoji. Then I ask you a question. Okay? Okay, so when I finish singing now, I want you all to sing. Ndị nne na nna anyị na-arịọ unu. No, don't sing. Don't sing yet. Wait for me to sing first. When I'm done singing, then you unmute yourself, okay? Don't unmute yourself now. Just listen. Ndị nne na nna anyị na-arịọ unu sụbana asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ ikwu na ibe anyị. Sụbana asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ jisie n'ike sụba Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ jisie n'ike sụba Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ. Now everybody unmute yourself and then sing. 1, 2, go. Okay, good job. Unu mere ofuma, unu mere nke ọma, maọbụ unu mere ofuma means you did very well. Unu mere ofuma. Okay, so let me share a page with you. But today we are going to do numbers because I want to make sure that you guys got it, that we are not just keep going, but you still don't know how to tell the numbers. And some of you that know it already, Emeka, Kosi, I forgot people's name. Where are my runner-ups? I forgot you guys' name. Okay, but it's okay. All of you are here. SDK family. So I don't want you guys, if you know it, answer. But the simple ones, I'm going to start with the simple ones. And I expect you guys to know it. You know it, raise your hand. And you have 10 seconds. 10 seconds to raise your hand to answer the question. Okay? So we're going to start now. We're going to start. So let me see. Okay. One second. I don't know why it's not going where. I just want this to go away. Okay. Let me see what's going on. So I want to ask a question. Okay. So you know it. You raise your hand when I ask the question. Okay. We did all the numbers already. You know what is 1 to 10. You know 10. You know 11 to 20. 10 is iri, 20 iri abụọ, 30 iri atọ, 40 iri anọ, 50 iri ise, 60 iri isii, 70 iri asaa, 80 iri asatọ, 90 iri itenaanị, 100 narị, 100 narị, and then 101 narị na otu. Okay, then you get to 150 narị na iri ise, 151 narị na iri ise na otu. Now you go to 1,000. Puku. Puku is 1,000. I just want to refresh a little bit. And then we have 1 million. Nde. 1 million is nde. And 1 billion is njeri. 1 billion njeri. Okay, so now we're going to, somebody is asking me for the Zoom code. I thought everybody had the Zoom code. So what's going on here? Let me send the Zoom code. And I sent videos. Everybody, if you know you made a video and you sent to me, I sent them to the forum. Go to Atlanta Igbo School Forum or Atlanta Igbo School YouTube channel. You will see all the videos. I'm still posting. Now, if you know you want to do your video and send to me so that we can post it, please feel free to do your own and send it to me when you're done. If you need help putting your video together, you can call me to ask me a question. Then I'll give you some ideas. But you can make your own video with your siblings or with your mom or with your dad. Some of you did it with your mom or with your dad and with your siblings. So if you don't have any sibling with you, you can do with your mom or with your dad or both of them. Okay, if you have siblings, do it with them. So do your own video, anything you wanna do. You can do skate, you can do singing, you can do dancing, you can do fashion show, you can do a sketch. So you will go to Atlanta YouTube channel and then see the videos that we posted there. Some people, they sang. Some people introduce themselves. I humble, say it and where you're from, your parents' name and everything. Send me the video. I want everybody to contribute, okay? Because very soon we're gonna do some acting, and don't forget, next year, we are going to Igbo village. So we need to get, when I look at the video, that's how I'm going to select some people. So don't say, oh, I don't have time. Yes, make our time. I'll give you a month to do your own video and send to me. Everybody, please. Whatever you want to do, anything you want to do. So you go there and see what others did. And then you see, maybe you have idea on what you do. Some people did cooking contests. You see everything there. Some people did hair tie and then wrapper. So there are a lot of things you can do. And if you did video before and you want to do another one, feel free to do that and send to me. Or call me if you have any question, please. All right, don't forget to do that. So somebody is asking for the code. I don't know why it doesn't. So let me send it and then we move on. Oh gosh. I sent a reminder last night and I didn't know that the person didn't get it. Okay, so now I'm going to start asking the question. You know the answer, you raise your hand, okay? Guinea 18. If I don't use the emoji to raise your hand, Guinea 18. Is it Ralo? Or who is raising? Ralo, is that you?
Ralo. Yes.
Okay. Guinea, yes, Ralo.
Yes.
Guinea, yes.
Oh.
Igbo. Okay, yes. Ralo. Guinea 18. And this is how you guys answer the question. 18 bo. Then you say the answer. What? Ralo Guinea 18.
18 bo. Iri na asatọ.
Yes, Azatraya, Dalo, Ralo, Dalo. Guinea, if you know you raised your hand before, get it done when somebody answers it, because I don't want to think that you raised your hand to answer the question. Chibu Samma. No more playing in the classroom. Okay? Okay. Guinea, 65. You know you to raise your hand. Chinua or higher. Guinea 65. Chinua.
I don't know.
Okay, come see Obi. Okay, Chinua, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Come see Obi.
Okay.
Enable 65.
65 is
No, 65 for Bob.
65 ubo. EC na ise.
Yes, Dalo Kamsi. Now Kamsi Gante. I want you to say it this way. 65 for Bob. Iri is C. Remember that we have two double I's. And I want you to stretch it, okay? I want you to say 65 for Bob. Iri is C na ise. Can you say that?
Okay. Iri isi na ise.
Dalo Kamsi. Ngwa, onye ọbụla wetu aka. When I say wetu aka, it means to lower your hand. So remove the emoji. Remove your hand because I have another question. Emeka Ohaya, get your hand down. I can do it, but I don't want to be doing it. I need you all to do that. Now, Guinea 77. Adanne Idiga Ngwazaya 77.
77. Iri asa na asa.
Dal iri asa. Can you say iri asa na asa?
Iri asa na asa.
Dal
Also, Auntie, yesterday was my little brother's birthday.
Oh, what's his name?
Jabel. Say hi. Hi. AKA
Jabel. Okay, good. Jabel, happy birthday. And I'm gonna call you after this evening, okay? So then tell your brother I will call.
He's actually right here, so he can hear you.
So happy birthday, Jabel.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, everybody lower your hands. Guinea 15. Let me see. Chika Okoye. Chika Okoye. Guinea 15. Chika, I want you to say 15 ball.
Oh, 15 ball. Iri iri na ise.
Iri na ise. Daalụ Chika. Daalụ zatara ya. Onye ọbụla wetu aka gị. Gịnị bụ 50? Kosi maọbụ Kamsi. Ngwa gịnị bụ 50? Kesi Okoli.
50 bụ iri ise.
Iri ise. Daalụ Kosi. Daalụ. Now, if you know you have answered, I don't want you to answer. Wait, I need to give others time to answer too. Onye ọbụla wetu aka gị. When you hear wetu aka, it means get your hand down. Okay. Gịnị bụ 34? Chizzy Idiga. Gịnị bụ 34?
34 bụ iri anọ. Atọ na anọ.
Daalụ Chizzy. 34 bụ iri atọ na anọ. Daalụ. Onye ọbụla wetu aka gị. Gịnị bụ 91? Chukwudi, gịnị bụ 91? Chukwudi Ọnụọra.
91 bụ iri iteghete na ofu.
Daalụ Chukwudi. Yes, 91 bụ iri iteghete na ofu maọbụ iri iteghete na otu. Daalụ Chukwudi Ọnụọra. Onye ọbụla wetu aka. Gịnị bụ 69? Emeka mba, aga m ajụ gị ọzọ. Brian Ọhaya. Gịnị bụ 69?
69 bụ iri isii na iteghete.
Iri isii na iteghete maọbụ iri isii na iteghete. Daalụ Brian. Daalụ. Onye ọbụla wetu aka. Gịnị bụ Adanne and Brian? Wetu aka gị. Get your emoji hand down. Click on it to lower your hand. Gịnị bụ 88? Gịnị bụ 88? Aga m ajụ onye na-aza. I'm going to ask Chiamaka Nwekwu. Gịnị bụ 88? If you don't raise your hand, I'm not going to ask you. I'm asking people that are raising their hands. Chiamaka Nwekwu, gịnị bụ 88?
88 bụ iri asatọ na asatọ.
Yes. Yeah, is that right? 88 bụ iri asatọ na asatọ. Daalụ. Gịnị bụ 90? Gịnị bụ 99? No. Gịnị bụ 13? Chibusamma. Gịnị bụ 13? Chibusamma, I think you're staying too close to Chukwudi. Can you move away so that it won't echo? Or Chukwudi, mute yourself. Okay, Chibusamma, gịnị bụ 13? Ngwa, go ahead now. That's fine there. Gịnị bụ 13, Chibusamma? 13 bụ Chibusamma, I want you to say 13 bụ iri na atọ. Can you say that?
13 bụ iri na atọ.
Daalụ Chibusamma. 13 bụ iri na atọ. Okay, onye ọbụla wetu aka. Gịnị bụ 111? 111. Let me see his reason. Adaeze Ochinenye. Gịnị bụ 111?
111 bụ narị na iri na otu.
Yes. Daalụ Adaeze. Adaeze zatara ya. 111 bụ narị. Okay? Na iri na otu. Some people will say otu narị na iri na otu. It's okay. It is still the same. Daalụ daalụ Adaeze. Onye ọbụla wetu aka. Gịnị bụ 203? 203. Ebuka Anokwute. Ebuka, gịnị bụ 203?
203 bụ narị abụọ na atọ.
Yes, Ebuka, daalụ. 203 bụ narị abụọ na atọ. Daalụ nke ukwuu. Onye ọbụla wetu aka. Gịnị wụ 300? Ralo Auntie Amaka Nazala, you guys have answered. I need people that haven't said anything. Okay, Ralo, gịnị wụ 300?
300 bụ narị atọ.
Narị atọ. Daalụ Ralo Ozeke. Daalụ. Ugbu a Jonathan ga-aza nke a. Jonathan Ibewuchi. Gịnị bụ 271, Jonathan? I see your hand up. Gịnị bụ 271?
Na iri asaa na otu.
Ọzọ, kwuo ya ọzọ.
What was the question?
Gịnị bụ 271, Jonathan?
Abụọ.
No, I need you to start your answer. 271 bụ.
271 bụ narị abụọ na iri asaa na otu.
Daalụ Jonathan, daalụ. Gịnị bụ aha Igbo gị? Jonathan, gịnị bụ aha Igbo gị?
Sobechi.
Sobechi, daalụ nke ukwuu. Yes. Yeah, now I'm so happy. I see now that at least you guys, you got what we did the last time. Wonderful. It's making me happy. And I want you guys to be happy too. Okay. Gịnị bụ 168? If you know it, raise your hand. 168. Is that Chinenye or Adeze? I don't want you to answer again. Chinenye ngwa, gịnị bụ Adeze's sister? Gịnị bụ 168?
168 bụ otu narị isii na asatọ.
You're supposed to put the preposition after narị. Otu narị, put the preposition na.
Otu narị na isii na asatọ.
Iri isii na asatọ.
Iri isii na asatọ.
Daalụ Chinenye, daalụ. 168 bụ narị maọbụ otu narị na iri isii na asatọ. Daalụ nke ukwuu. Gịnị bụ 458? 458. Kedu onye ma ya welie aka elu with your emoji? Chiamaka Nwekwu ngwa. Gịnị bụ 458?
Okay. Can I write it down first and then tell you?
458. No, you know you don't have time. Remember how we did it during the event. You don't have time to write anything down because the clock is ticking. You don't know it. Once it's 10 minutes, 10 seconds, I ask another person.
Okay. Now
458. Okay, Adeze. Can you 458?
458.
No, 458. 458.
458 mbụ narị anọ na ise na asaa.
You're missing something. You missed something. When you say, remember it's 450. You know what 50 is supposed to be. You need to put that because you omitted it. Adeze. 458.
458 mbụ narị anọ na iri ise na asaa.
Asatọ. Daalụ. 458 bụ narị anọ na iri ise na asatọ. Daalụ Adaeze, ị mere nke ọma. Gịnị bụ 243? Achọrọ m ndị na-azabeghị ka ha mepee ọnụ. Chiamaka, gịnị bụ 243?
243 bụ narị abụọ na iri anọ na atọ.
Daalụ Chiamaka nwee egwu. Daalụ. 243 bụ narị abụọ. Okay? You see how you break it down? Narị abụọ na iri anọ, which is 40. Then the 3 na atọ. So if you know this formula, you should be okay. Okay. Gịnị bụ 104? If you know if I answered, I don't want you to do it. I need to hear from others. 104. Oh, come on, guys. No, Chiamaka, you can't answer again. I need others to come in here. Who is answering? I don't see your hand up. Who? Oh, Chinenye. Kada Dubem, Chidubem. 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 Come on, my dear. Oh, you're getting 104.
Darwin.
Na ino.
Dalo Chidubem. Yes, yes, yes. Narinena. Dalo. Yes. Ndewo Chidubem. Genebu 223. Come on, guys. You need to do something. Join the class to do something. Because I want to know that when I'm moving forward, that you guys are okay with the numbers. Remember, we're going to have another contest, and that's going to be in Igbo Village next year. Okay, so we need to, and we're going to meet other people there. Come on, guys. Somebody, Raliza, your brother? What's his name? Sheta? Sheta Genepo. 223, Sheta. Ezekiel.
223 bụ narị abụọ na iri abụọ na atọ.
Daalụ Sheta. Wow. Awesome. Daalụ. Gịnị bụ 115? Kelechi. Asị Kelechi. Kelechi, gịnị bụ 115?
115 bụ narị na iri iri.
Mba. Zayos, listen. 100, you know it. I know you do. 115. Try again. Come on, Kelechi, you know it. Just try again. 100, remember, you break it down, 100. Then 15.
115 bụ narị na iri ise.
Narị na iri na ise. Daalụ Kelechi. 115 is narị. 115 bụ narị na iri na ise. Don't say iri ise because there's a big difference between 50 and 15. 50 is iri ise. 15 is iri na ise. Okay, they are not the same. So be careful when you're answering the question. Iri na ise is 15. Iri ise is 50. Daalụ Kelechi. Gịnị bụ 213?
213.
Oh, no. I don't want you to answer again. I need somebody else. Somebody else. We need others to join us. Come on, guys, just try your best. Because if you don't say anything, you never know if you know it until you try. I need everybody to try. I need everybody. Constance, who's Wednesday? Wednesday, can you try? Wednesday, can you try?
Yes.
Okay. Can you answer that question? It's 115. I want to make sure you know what we said. Gịnị bụ 115? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị, nwanze?
Aha m bụ Izunna.
Izunna, yes. I don't know why I keep forgetting. Izunna. Izunna, gịnị bụ 10?
10 is iri.
No, Izunna, achọrọ m ka ị kwuo 10 bụ.
10 bụ iri.
Daalụ, yay! Yes, 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 yes. Daalụ, Izunna. Ị mere nke ọma, daalụ. Okay, now another question. I'm going to be calling names because people are hiding. If you just try, you don't know it, tell me you don't know it. Okay, then I'll ask somebody who will tell us the answer. Gịnị bụ 306? I want Chisom. Chisom, gịnị bụ 306? Chisom, Chimde's sister. Gịnị bụ 306?
306 bụ narị na.
Now remember 300. If it's 100, then it's nari, which is otu, nari. But 3 now, gịnị bụ 306? Come on, Chisom, try.
Ịtọ na.
Narrator, na. What is 6?
Ise.
No, what is 6?
Isii.
Isi, there you go. See, 306 is nare, ato, na isi. Chisom dalo. I told you, you know it. So I need you all to make it. Just I want to see the effort there. Just try. You don't get it, I'll tell you. Okay? Gịnị bụ 222? Ihe dị m n'uche. Ihe dị m n'uche. Gịnị bụ 222? Achọrọ m ka ị nwaa oko gị. Ihe dị m n'uche. Gịnị bụ 222? Ihe dị m n'uche ọ nọ ebe ahụ? Okay. Adannidiga, ngwa ebe ị na-eweli aka elu. Gịnị bụ 222, Adanne?
My little brother wants to go.
Oh, gịnị bụ aha ya? Chinedum. Okay, is that Chinedum? Gịnị bụ 222?
Oh, well, 222.
Go on. Chinedum, gịnị bụ 222?
me?
Yeah, Adanne's brother.
Nari abo
Okay, yeah, somebody is talking.
Auntie. That's
Yes.
not my brother. That's not my brother.
Okay,
little
so
brother
who
is
is
next.
that? Okay, let Chinedum answer it. Chinedum, gịnị bụ 222?
Nari na abo na.
Okay, Chinedum Gente. When it's okay, Chinedum Gente. If it's 100, it's nari. If it's 200, it's nari abo. If it's 300, it's nari ato. If it's 600, it's nari isi. Okay, so now we have 222. So you're going to get that 200 out. When you have two 200s, it's 2. Remember, it's abo. Now it's nari abo. Now 20 is what? Iri abo, isn't it? So
It's
20 nari abo. Now iri abo. And what is 2? That's abo. So it's nari abo. Now iri abo. Now abo. That's how you break it down. So use that formula. Okay.
I was trying to pronounce it, but I have lag on my iPad.
It's okay.
The internet-
That's okay. At least you tried. I am so proud of you. I just want to see people trying just the way you did. So I'm proud of you. Keep trying, okay? And everybody, don't forget to go to the Quizlet that I created. Practice on your own. We're supposed to do the Quizlet quiz here, but the Quizlet, they change things around. We can't do that game anymore. So they do like shuffling stuff. You go there and then they matching. You can, this is what you can do on your own. And that's why we're using this method today. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I don't need to again. Actually, can one nigga work a woman higher? Gene wa hage. And then your one nigga work on a bang.
Wait, where are you talking?
Okay, gene ba hage.
Are you talking to me?
Gene ba hage. It means what is your name? You need to. You're supposed to know how to say your name in Igbo.
Adana.
No. Your brother. I'm asking about your brother. Let him answer. I need him to talk to me.
Neduchi.
I need Neduchi. Neduchi, ahambo. I want you to say the complete sentence. Neduchi, gini bu aha gi?
Ahambo, Neduchi.
Okay. Neduchi, gini bu 155.
Obu, 155. Nari. Na iri. Isa na isa.
Dalu Neduchi. Neduchi, dalu. Now, everything is gonna change after one question now. We're gonna go to the bigger numbers. Okay, so after this one, we go to the bigger and the thousands. Guinea with 299. Favor, Guinea with 299.
bụ iri abụọ na iri iteghete na iteghete.
Okay, gente. Now, Guinea 100. Favor.
Narị.
Nare. Now, when I said 200, what is 200? Remember what I said? Nari abụọ. Now, I need you to answer the question again and see the mistake there, okay? Guinea 299.
299 bụ narị abụọ na iri iteghete na iteghete.
Yay! There you go. You see, if you can follow the formula, break it down. You see, you know it. Every one of you here, I believe you know it. It's just that some of you are just shying away. Don't shy away because you say it, you learn to say it. Trust me, you know it. And I want everybody to try. Just try. If you know it, you won't be in this class. You are in this class because I'm going to help you learn everything you need to know. So don't shy away. I need you to open up. Just answer the question, even if you don't know it. Doesn't matter. But by answering it, listening to it, you learn more. Okay? Now, Guinea 3,000. If you know it, raise your hand. Guinea 3,333. This is the fun part here. 3,333. Raise your hand if you know it, then I ask you the question. Emeka Ohaya. Guinea 3,333.
3,333 bụ puku atọ na narị atọ na iri atọ na atọ.
There you go, Emeka Dalo. Emeka won during the contest, during our event. Emeka won the first prize. And that was the Kosi Okole won the second prize. So Dalo, Emeka, Dalo. Now, Emeka is not going to answer this one. I need another person. Guinea 2,201. 2,201. Just try. Achọrọ m ka onye ga-aza ya welie aka elu. Gịnị bụ 2,201? And parents, make sure you're not there telling them. I want them to try their best. You see how Emeka answered? Adeze, ngwa. Adeze, gịnị bụ 2,201?
So can you repeat that?
2,201. 2201.
2,201 mbụ puku abụọ na otu.
Now you are missing narị there. Kwuo ya ọzọ, 2,201. Zaa ya ọzọ.
2,201 bụ puku abụọ na narị abụọ na otu.
Yeah. Hooray! Wonderful. Good. Ezatara ya 2,201 bụ puku abụọ narị abụọ na otu. You can also say puku abụọ na narị abụọ na otu. It is the sentence. Daalụ. Gịnị bụ 1,011? 1,011. Ị mara ya welie aka gị elu. 1,011. Chiamaka ịzago. Okay, Chiamaka, gịnị bụ 1,011? Chiamaka wee kwu.
1,011 bụ puku na iri na otu.
Yes, puku na iri na otu. Daalụ Chiamaka. Ndewo. Yeah, somebody's asking question. Okay. Gịnị bụ 8,649? 8,649. Kedu onye ma ya welie aka elu? Ebuka, achọrọ nke ịgbalị ya. Ebuka n'Okute, ngwa. Gbalịa ike ga Ebuka n'ebe ahụ.
Can you repeat, please?
8,649. Just gbalịa ike gị.
8,649 bụ puku asatọ na narị isii na iri anọ na itoolu.
Wonderful. Daalụ Ebuka, daalụ. Yes, Ebuka Zataria, 8,649 bụ puku asatọ. Just break it down. Puku asatọ. Now 649, 600 is narị isii. Then 49, then it bring out 40. Na iri anọ na 9 is na itenane. Follow the formula, you will answer any question. Okay, so one more question, then I'll give you guys opportunity to ask me questions. Please, this is your opportunity to ask questions, but one more question. Gịnị bụ 52,800? 52,800. Kamsi Obi is raising. Kamsi, are you raising your hand?
Yes.
Okay, Kamsi Obi, Gịnị bụ 52,800?
52,000 Igbo.
52,800.
Puku, 52,800 is puku, na iri ise na abụọ.
Well, you tried though, Kamsi. You tried, but can we give you just missed something, but I will tell you what you missed. Let's see if another person will answer it. 52,800. Chiamaka answered before. Okay, Chiamaka ngwa. 52,800.
800 bụ puku iri ise na abụọ na narị asatọ.
Yes, 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 yes. 52,800 bụ puku iri ise na abụọ na narị asatọ. Dalu Chiamaka, dalu. Okay, maybe probably we'll do another one. Guinea bụ 99,999. 99,999. Kedu onye ma ya? Welie aka gị elu. 99,999. Even if you've answered before, if you know it, raise your hand. 99,999. Gịnị ka ọ bụ? O keralụ ezike. O keralụ ngwa. 99,999.
19,999 bụ puku iri itoolu na itoolu na narị itoolu na iri itoolu na itoolu.
Wonderful. Wow. Darling. This is awesome. All right, one more question. I saw Chinazo raising hand. Guinea was 74,386. 74,386.
74,800.
No, 74,386.
74,386 bụ puku asaa na iri na.
Remember we said 74,000. So that 74,000 will not be just puku asa. It will not be just puku asa. Remember how they answered 99,000. There's something you're missing.
Puku asa na iri atọ na.
It's okay, Chinaza, you tried. Darling, I'm glad that you tried. Good. And I need you to practice the number. Go to the Quizlet, okay? Go to the Atlanta Igbo School Quizlet and practice the number, but you did very well. I am proud of you. Let me see if I can give Kelechi opportunity to answer this. 74,386. And then, Chinaza, I need you to pay attention. Listen. Kelechi, Oya. Kelechi Ngwan.
Do I say 74,000?
74,386.
74,386 mbụ puku iri asaa na puku atọ.
No, you don't say another puku. You're doing very well. But remember, what is nari? Nari cannot be puku. So bidonishi, start all over. 74,386.
Okay. 74,386 mbụ puku iri asaa na ise na narị asatọ.
Well, you tried. You're very close, okay? Proud of you. Visit your numbers, okay? Let's give Ebuka a chance to answer it. I see your hand up, Ebuka.
74,386 boo. puku iri asaa na anọ narị atọ na iri asatọ na isii.
Dalebuka, yes. 74,386. Puku iri, whenever it's in thousands, okay? Whenever you cross it, unless if I say 700,000, you still have to say puku iri asa. But now we have puku iri asa. Remember, it's 74. Don't stop at iri asa. Puku iri asa na ano. So you have to break it down, and then we say 386. Nare. You see that? So Ebuka answered it correctly. Dalo. So all of you tried, whether you got it or not, but the only thing I care so much about is your effort, trying to do something, trying to answer. But please, there is a Quizlet. And if you go over the Quizlet and you have questions, some of you are not even trying to test me or ask me a question. You can send the question. You can even record yourself and send to me. You don't have phone. Ask your parent. Tell your parents you're trying to get in touch with auntie. And ask me questions, things that you don't know, because I'm here to help you. I need you to take advantage of it, okay? When I'm busy, then I might not get back to you, but once I'm done, I'll get back to you. Okay, so please, I need you all to do that. Okay, so this time is for you to ask questions. If you have question, raise your hand and then unmute yourself and ask the question. I'm humble. So regarding what we did today, or maybe something that has nothing to do with what we did today, feel free to ask the question. Go ahead. Oh, it means, okay, I see. Ralu, do you have a question? You and Chiamaka. Ralu, okay, Chiamaka, you want to
I don't have a question, but I do have a way to help people with the numbers.
Okay. Go ahead and share it with us.
Okay, I need to take off my background.
Huh?
Yeah, so when I take my notes, I spread them up by number, so I write down the words. And so for 13, I do iri, na, atata, and iri is 10. Na is and, ata is 3, so 10 and 3 is 13. And then 306, nari, ata, na, you see? So nari, ata, they go together, that's 300. And then na is and then isi is 6. So then I just underline it. And that's how I got the 62,000, the 999,000, and the 744,386. If you just space them out and you write down which each word means, and then you add them all together, they'll equal the number.
There you go. So, did you hear what Chiamaka said? Chiamaka Dalu Kuku.
Okay.
But now listen, in case if during the contest, remember, you're not gonna write it up. So what Chiamaka shared with us is going to be helpful. So you can break the numbers, remember. You can write them out and then put the preposition and join them. That's basically what Chiamaka shared. Okay, so if you know what works for you, do that. But her ideas are wonderful. You can follow that idea if it's gonna work for you. Another idea is this. Know your block numbers. If you know your whole numbers, if you know 1 to 10, and then from 10 to 20, everything is plugging in the numbers. But you gotta know what is 20, 30, all the way to 100. You know what is 100? You know what is 1,000? You know what is 1 million billion. If you know all these things, the rest is just a matter of plugging in the numbers and then putting in between the preposition, which is na, N-A. So do that. Use the formula that works for you. And then if you get confused, call me, because if you don't get it now, if we keep going, then you're gonna get confused more. That's why I backed up a little bit. Okay, so next week, we're gonna have a keynote speaker. and about Igbo culture. So today, I want to make sure that everybody is really excelling in numbers. And if you're still having problems, get in touch. Okay, if there's any way I can help you, I'll help you and make sure that you get it. Okay, Chiamaka Dalu. Anybody with any question or something, any ideas or suggestion? Okay, so nwego onye nwere ajụjụ ngwa bikonu gano go. I posted a lot of videos. Go over those videos. Fun. Go to Atlanta Igbo School YouTube channel and subscribe. If you subscribe and then still give thumbs up, then when I post something, you will know. You will know, and you get to it. And when I post a lesson, you go over the lesson. And today's lesson is very important for you to go over this video when I post it. You don't go over it, you won't be able to know what we did today. So go over the lesson, it will help you. It will help you learn more. Okay? It means we see you next. Okay, so wait. Somebody has a question.
Yeah, Chibu-sama has a question.
Who?
Chibu-sama of
Chibu-sama, do the right thing now. Say your name and tell me. I'm with a matter.
Chibu-sama. I read him Ajuju.
Chibu-sama.
Well, it's not a question, it's a number. Can you say 9,800 and
800 and what? 852?
No, 9,872.
9,872. You know what is 1,000? 1,000 is puku. Now, when you say 9,000, you say puku itenani or puku itolu. 800 is nari asato. You see how you break it down? You break it down. If you don't break it down that way, you get lost. So 9,000 is puku itenani. If it's 8,000, puku asato. And they say 900, then it's nari tenani. Okay, so you break this, break it. If you don't break it, that's when you get lost. But you need to know what is 1,000 first. You need to know what is 100. If you don't know them, you won't be able to do them. Okay? Okay, Chibu-sama.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so I have another class. I'll see everybody next week. Okay? Cardinal.
Audio.
Okay.